So I want to show you how to edit, and then you can edit your own because like I said, you could just watch me doing small edits for hours as I really try to perfect this. But there's a couple ways you can edit things. First of all, let's go back. Let's exit user mode, clicking on the exit user mode button right there. Now, the first way you can edit is over on the left side. You can either edit or discuss. So if you want to discuss something, you can chat with the AI. It's using 0.3 credits per request, or you can do a full-blown edit and say, hey, I want to change this one thing. I want this to happen instead. So let's start with an edit here. I'm going to go with a full edit. So select edit, and I'm going to say for the calculator. Okay, so I have a bunch of things for it to edit. I'm going to hit enter here, and it's going to edit multiple things at once. Like I said, this is one way to edit. It's not the only way to edit though. And there's another way that doesn't use credits, and you can actually change the text on here. I'll show you that once it's done. It's going to take a minute to do this. All right, so you can see the edit worked. It now split up the bedtime and the wake time, and this is kind of where you'd split up how you're going to be editing your website. Anything that's more technical and back-end, I just use the prompt. It's way easier. But for something simple like changing the name up here, you can click on edit, and then you're able to kind of hover around and click on certain things, and you can either edit the element using AI, or you can double click on it and just type out different things.